Hopefully you know that based on the answer choices, we do not need to be multiplying 4 to the 6th out, or God forbid 8 to the 4th, okay? You should definitely not be actually doing that kind of level of arithmetic. There are exponent rules that we should memorize that are going to make this much faster. And basically when we have real numbers and we have exponents, it's nice to have numbers that are smaller so that we can compare things more easily. So luckily both 4 and 8 are multiples of 2, and so we can bring these numbers back down into the 2's and see how they compare. So in other words, basically, if we had 4 to the 6th, that is the same, well, 4 is 2 squared, and so 2 squared to the 6th, if we have a power raised to a power, we multiply, so this is really 2 to the 12th. And then, if we do the same thing with the 8 to the 4th, we hopefully know that 8 is really 2 to the 3rd, so we can replace that, and then that's raised to the 4th, and so this is 2 to the 3rd to the 4th, again, multiply exponents, and we have 2 to the 12th over 2 to the 12th, which is just 1. So this very complicated thing becomes much, much easier when we're able to compare the exponents because they have the same base. That is going to be a general rule of thumb. There are a lot of exponent rules that we need to memorize about what to do when we have powers raised to powers, things being multiplied or divided, but honestly, they only work when we have the same base. And so we need to get there first, and usually 2's and 3's, you've got those tables memorized, so you should be able to get there pretty quickly, and if not, then yeah, you definitely do not want to be doing arithmetic. Just pick a question, pick an answer and move on if you don't have these kind of rules memorized.